Tickets? Check. Bags packed? Check. Your child's hearing device kit? Check. Talk to your child's professional team about travel? Check. Sounds like you have everything you need. So how else do you prepare for traveling with your little one who is deaf or hard of hearing? Let's talk about travel. Hi, I'm Dr. Teresa Caraway, CEO of Hearing First and a certified speech-language pathologist for 40 years. And I'm going to share some tips for taking a trip with a baby or young child with hearing loss. First, do what you can and prepare ahead of time. Pack a hearing device travel kit. Keep device components, accessories, extra batteries and cords, a charger, and even a remote microphone nearby at all times. This includes on the plane or train in your carry-on bag. You also want to keep them with you during the trip, wherever your itinerary may take you. You will feel better knowing your child can hear your voice and all the new sounds and language they will experience throughout the trip. Part of this means prioritizing device wear time, even on vacation. The more your child wears their devices, the more language they hear, the stronger the connections in their brain that lay the pathways for listening, talking, and reading skills. Brain development doesn't take a vacation, so when you're traveling, you need to keep your child's hearing devices on during all waking hours. Second, you want to embrace the new and exciting during travel. Where you can, continue some of those same routines from home. For example, if you always read books aloud before bedtime, pack some books with you so you can keep reading aloud every day. Talk to your early interventionist about how to bring the LSL strategies you use at home with you on your trip. For me, be a director, be a bird dog, play by play, make listening easier, and it's your turn come to mind as great ones to use during a trip with a little one. Third, expect the unexpected. Traveling is opening up your child's world, and that means there are all kinds of new sounds and vocabulary for you to explore together. If you're taking the train, find some books about trains to read aloud before, during, and after the trip. If you're heading to the beach or the city or any new location, take advantage of the new vocabulary and practice at home together before the trip. With all the new experiences, remember to take lots of pictures of your trip and use them to create an experience book. Hearing First has a helpful video that explains how to make an experience book and ways you can use them with your child. You can find that video linked below. In short, you print the pictures from your trip to put in a notebook. Then under each picture, write down what happened on the trip. Depending upon how old your child is, they could tell you what to write and even help you draw pictures. Now you have a great book to read aloud with your little one and bring all the memories of your trip home with you. I know there's a lot of stress or worry that accompanies travel, but there's also a lot of incredible opportunities for listening and learning. Lean in and make the most of it. I promise it will be worth it. If you'd like more resources or support, please visit hearingfirst.org or check out the other videos on the Hearing First channel. Okay, you're all set and you're on your way. Safe travels.